Hello there, it's Temple Obona from Java TV Entertainment and Java TV Hustle channel here again to bring you up to speed on what's happening in the world of finance. Now, this is me here again. Like I promised, I said I was going to bring up a video, that would teach stay at home mom, if you have a store at home, or probably your parents have one, and then you are looking for a way to increase the income at home. This is an idea I'm bringing as a student. You're working, or you are looking for, what do you call it, for a way to sustain yourself at home or in school. This video is for you. So I will be teaching you how to make little side hustle, or side income rather, or little income as a student, because probably you might not have a main income or a job. So this is just to help you get little income, you understand. Or as a stay-at-home mom, and then you have neighbors, and then you have data, you have friends who buy data, you have friends who use the social media. In fact, you have a social media network or a platform where you do your social media activities. Then this video is for you. Now I will be diving straight into the video, but before I do this, I know you love this video. Please and please like, subscribe, and click the bell notification icon, because I know you would love this video already, because this video is purely educational, and then you will gain value from this video. I promise you this. So this is the site. I'll leave a link to the site already, to the description. But the sites, this is how the interface is. Is a data site, data, recharge card, cables, and the rest. Now most of you must have seen sites where, or people who say they would buy data for 2,000 naira for you for like 10 gig or so. So this is the particular site, and then so I want you to start your own by yourself. So I want to show you the exact thing that happens here. Now you can print data. Now this is it. You can print data by yourself. You can buy airtime, you can buy data, you can convert. Maybe probably you recharged from your bank, you understand, like maybe you wanted to recharge maybe 1,000, and then you added one extra zero to 10,000. Now you can change from airtime to cash. You can pay electric bill, you can pay cables, you can even pay for results and the rest checking. So I don't want this video to be that long, so I'll just go straight to what I want to. Please and please ignore any background noise. It's how it is. So let's go to buy data. Now when we are going to buy data, I want to show you how it works. And then please, if you stick to the end of this video, there is a bonus I would show you how I implement how mine works. So if you want to get that bonus, please and please, you have to stick to the end of the video. So let's go for MTN, and then see, you go for MTN, you pick SME. For MTN, SME is the cheapest. Now you can get 500 MB for 113 naira per month. Look at it. You can get 1 gig for like 225 naira per month. You can get 2 gig for like 450 naira per month. You can get 3 gig for like 679 per month. Like look at it, 5 gig, 10 gig, 2,250 naira per month. 500 gigabytes for 11,000 sorry, 111,500 per month. You see, so that is for MTN. Let's go for Glow. Glow does not have SME. Glow has giftings. Now you can go for giftings, and then you see it. Now once you go for Glow gifting, you can see 1.8 gig for 430 naira plus 1 gig bonus for 2 weeks. 3.9 gig for like 925 naira plus 2 gig bonus per month. Now look at all of them. Look at it. Very clear and very easy for you to get. Now after the gifting, let's see if Glow still has a corporate gifting also. Okay, they have corporate gifting also. Now this is the one that you would be doing, of course, where you go for 200 naira for like 45 naira, 500 MB for like 135, 2 weeks. And these are it. Look at it. And then this is where you make your own money from, because you cannot be selling at the same rate. You are adding your own. That is just it. Like, this is the business. This is how the business works. You add your own interest to whatever they are getting here, you get, and then it works for you. Now that of Glow, after Glow you have 9mobile. 9mobile does not has giftings. The same thing, you check them, look at it, all of them the same thing here and here and here. Now Airtel, the same thing. Airtel gifting, Airtel corporate gifting, you understand, check the plan. Now look at them. Now this is what you have to do for business. Now this is just your normal plan. Now you have not upgraded yet, because if once you sign up with the link that I will drop in the description, you will get the normal plan. Now we go back to my dashboard. Now for you to upgrade to a seller or a reseller rather, you have to pay a sum of 1000 naira. Where is it? You have to pay a sum of 1000 naira, 1000 naira to be a reseller. You understand? And then you have extra bonus that comes with it. And then if you want to recharge also, or recharge your bank account, there is a 15 naira charge if you are paying from this. But then if you want the charges to be low, you can fund with your card, and then fund with gateway payments. Now this one, I think they will charge you lesser, more like 11 naira or so once you use this particular method. Yes, 11 naira once you use this particular method. You understand? Let's see, 11 naira. Let's see, 1000. Look at, okay, 15 naira. Sorry, you will be charged 15 naira. You see, so this particular one is actually easy for you. And then you can also buy airtime, recharge cables, you understand, do all these easy things. Now this is an idea I am bringing to you, for you to, and then once you refer a friend, look at it. This is where you guys will be helping me by using my referral link, please, because you are helping me. And then by also smashing the like button, of course. But then I will be leaving my own referral link, so please and please do well to use my referral link. And then when you are using my referral link, when they're asking for referral username, you would use the username Jaratvhustle Entertainment. Look at it here. So I'll leave everything in the description for you guys. Now once your referee upgrades to the reseller, which is 1000 naira, you have a 500 naira bonus plus commission of whatever your referee is earning. So this is not only about you making money from it by selling, you can also invite others, as long as it is not stopping business for you. You understand? If you feel you can use it as an affiliate marketing, sorry about that, as an affiliate marketing, then it's fine. If you can gain more from it, or you can just use it as a normal side hustle. You understand? You have a social media network, WhatsApp, Facebook, and then you just post it, and then you start making money from there. So I want to thank you for staying to the end of this video. Like I said, I don't want this video to stay too long, but then the bonus I am going to tell you is this. Now you use the Canva app. This is my own platform, how I do mine. You use the Canva app. I will leave a link in the description, or whatever app you can use best in your phone or your system, to draft something out like this. You understand? Maybe your name, like this is my TV, Jara TV communication, sorry about that, Java TV communication. And then you just draft it out, choose your own, but don't be greedy. You understand? Just choose the particular amount you are willing to pay for it, and then paste it on your WhatsApp group, your status, your profile, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and I am sure you will begin to make money in no time. No time. Like I always say in this group, in this channel, this channel is not a get rich quick scheme, no, but I will always promise you that whenever you come here, you would find something educating, and then something financially able for you to do, to make at least 2 to 3 thousand or 5,000 naira a day if you implement it well. You understand? Because there are people who buy data cables and the rest, and then you can just charge them, and then aside all this, you charge them, and then you're making cool money from it. So this is all I have for you. I will be making other videos on how to make money, online and from home as a stay-at-home mom, student. Maybe you need a side hustle for your 9 to 5. This is what this channel is all about. We'll help you create finance like this, and then they will work for you. So please and please, if you gain value from this video, please like, subscribe, click the bell notification icon, and share so that other people can get this good content, and then benefit from it. Please and please, thank you. I will be leaving other links, for other how to make money sites, you understand, and the videos that I've created, and then how to get a virtual card. Probably you're having issue with a virtual card. It's somewhere up here around, so you can use it to work and then get money for yourself also. So please and please do like and subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.